Hey guys, welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. Today's problem, or this video's problem, is guess number higher or lower. We're playing the guess game. The game is as follows. I pick a number from 1 to n. You have to guess which number I picked. Every time you guess wrong, I will tell you whether the number I picked is higher or lower than what you guessed. You call a predefined API call and just a function guess that takes a number which returns 3 possibilities. -1, that it's too high, 1 is too low, 0 is equal. Return the number that I picked. Okay, I think this is pretty straightforward. So, while true, wait. You guessed the number 10. Oh, we start with the number n, and the n is always the maximum number. So the number is either n or smaller. So while true, we check result equals guess n. If result equals 0, return n. Else if result equals 1, then my guess is too low. So let me just start with first guess. My guess is n divided by 2. Let's start with a half number. Integrate division. If now return n, else if result equals 1, then it's lower than the number I picked. Okay, so what's going on here? Let me just open JS Paint. So let me do 72. Okay, so let's say we have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the magic number is 4. This is the number we have to guess. Okay, 4, not 4. Let's start with 7. So first of all, we get the middle number. I'm going to use ref. We get to 4. And is 4 lower? Yes, it is. So we need to check the numbers here. And then we go to the middle number, which is 6. Is it lower? Yes. And we check these all the way to the end. If the number that was guessed was 3, then we would have to check this. Then I would go to 2. 2 would be lower. Then I would check this. I would go to 3. So how do we do that? So in order to, we need to keep the indexes or indices of the left and right boundaries. So left boundary starts as 0, right boundary starts as n. And my guess is in the middle. While true, result, guess my guess. If result equals 0, return. If it's 1, then its guess is lower. Then I need to get my left boundary needs to be n plus 1. Oh, you're not seeing things anymore. Left boundary needs to be n plus 1. And I think I will just repeat this. Let me put the guess inside. My guess is n, actually right boundary minus left boundary divided by 2 plus left boundary. And there we have the point in the middle. Result, guess my guess, result 0, result equals 1. Left boundary equals not n, my guess is 1, and here we're not returning n, returning my guess. And else, which is the result is -1, so the guess is higher. We say that the right boundary becomes my guess. And let's submit this. Okay, it works. Beat 77. Okay, good. Let's just submit again and see if I'm lucky. Well, memory did a lot better, runtime it did a lot worse, which is very weird that it dropped so much. So let's submit even again, so if we can get the best of both worlds. Okay, it was the same as the first submission. Well, I'm happy with this. Hope you guys enjoyed it.